What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Posted from the Beemer Fam coming back at you today. Thank you guys so much for the overwhelming response on last video. You guys actually made that video the most liked video on my page so far. So thank you again. I appreciate it. I love you all. In case you guys missed it, I outlined a little bit of business in the last video. To paraphrase it, we at Beemer Fam here work very hard to bring you guys the best content we possibly can at all times. And we are working very hard to get this channel into the YouTube partnership program like our main channel. For that to happen, we have to reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watched. As of today, I think we're at 417 subscribers and around 530 hours watched, which is amazing. If you guys like our content at Beemer Fam, if you guys like the kind of things we do, please take a second and click that subscribe. It will help tremendously. At 1,000 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway, and here are the details. When we blow past 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to go to the comment picker website and put this video's URL in. It will randomly go through the comments and I'll pick a few winners. So in order to be eligible for this contest, you have to like the video, you have to comment on the video, and it has to be something appropriate or else my spam filter will pick it up. Some of the prizes will include your choice of either gas card, Amazon card, PlayStation card, Xbox card, or Nintendo card. I really just want to use the initial money that we get from the channel to give back to you guys in thanks for all of your long time dedication and support. Today I have some Mexico patrol footage for you with my E92 M3 and our friend Roddy in his M5. We had a good time, we were safe, but we have some sweet footage I want to show you guys. Enjoy. What up, bro? You ready to go have some fun? Alright. You know I can't keep up with your ass.
We're on something complicated.
Listen, hey, we're gonna have some fun, but hey, I can't with you.
Anywhere fucking go. We gotta do some rips on video.
Oh yeah, we'll do some, but you know, you got your shit set up. I can't touch your
Switch till next year.
Oh yeah?
I got SSD clutch, I got axles, stage 2 turbos, and
damn.
I'll probably tear that bitch inside.
What are you about to be touching? Like 700 to the wheels?
7 to the wheels now.
So you really?
You didn't see the dyno slip last time?
No.
Crank 701 to the wheel.
Damn, I didn't know that. So you about to be really touching some numbers here in a second. God damn.
And just the way even the torque is, just a little more. It just the tune is like the best they've ever done at DME.
Really?
The best numbers they ever got out of that setup. And you know why? Everybody that's done it's got an exhaust. I got shit for exhaust. My stock downpipes, and it tried a little back pressure, cranked over because they're usually about 685 with that.
Yeah. Oh, you making out nice.
Oh, this bitch when it did when they did the dyno and DME posted it on their thing, the thing was like out of control on Instagram on the East Coast.
Oh, I believe it. I believe it. I probably saw it and didn't even know it was yours.
Yeah.
Big thank you to everyone who watched the video all the way through. It really helps get that watch time up for that YouTube partnership program we talked about. Per usual, make sure you guys drop a comment and let me know how you guys like the video. And remember, your comments below count towards the giveaway. Thank you guys. Take it easy. Love you all. Peace.